Alright, we got another milsurp for you. This one is a Gewehr 98. One of the easiest ways that you can tell a Gewehr 98 is of course by the hardware. It's got the old style stacking swivel on the front barrel band. It has the very cool roller coaster sights. You only see those on the 98s. The lowest sight setting on a Gewehr 98 is 400 meters. Straight bolt handle. Lots of really cool imperial markings. I'll get some of those up close. This particular Gewehr 98 was part of a 1918 production to the Ottoman Empire. Out of the 1918 production that the Germans made of the Gewehr 98s, most of that production went to the Ottoman Empire as war aid. Other than the Turkish stamp that you see at the front of the receiver, the rest of this rifle is completely original to the Gewehr 98 specification. This is one of the rarest Turkish contract rifles to find. Very nice rifle. It's got the original sling, unmolested sights, original stock with the original imperial markings. Let's shoot it. One of the coolest aspects about these types of rifles, the old long Mausers and stuff like that, it's just when you sit behind it and you aim it, it's like pointing a damn javelin. You know, just a long rifle, long sight radius. Let's check it out. A few preliminary groups are very pleasing. I didn't hear it hit the gong.
It didn't.
Hang on.
It's on the paper, but it didn't hit the gong.
Weird. Shooting high, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it on the paper though?
Barely.
All right.
What?
Tell us about the group.
It's a pretty damn impressive group.
Oh, let's look. Let's look. Look at that, people. That right there, that's probably the most surprise that I've ever gotten out of a surplus rifle. Of course, the lowest sight setting on the rifle is 400 meters. I was aiming all the way down here at this one, and they were printing all the way up here. I pulled one shot low that hit like dead center in the bullseye. It could not be more center. And then of course, I mean, that right there, you just cannot expect better accuracy than that. That's with iron sights. I mean, I'm very impressed at that accuracy. I can't say enough. I mean, it just surprises me. I knew the Gewehr 98s were accurate, but I never dreamed in a million years it would be that accurate.
Oh, yeah.
You got a little bit of horizontal stringing, but I mean, they're all right in there.